Following the pattern of talking about growth, something that I don't think a lot of people keep track of is just their direct traffic. Your direct traffic is where all your profit is made. You don't have to pay anything for these users. This is why something like an Airbnb or kayak.com is so successful, is because they've been able to move past paying for all of their traffic. People go directly to Airbnb when they're looking for a listing. People go directly to Kayak when they're looking for, an airline or a car rental. Amazon's another great example. When you have users come into you directly, your site monetization is just so much better. Now, that doesn't mean that you need to avoid paid traffic. Rather, you can be increasing your paid investments as long as you're making sure that those are relevant users that are having a good site experience. And over time, what you're going to see, like we have on this client, your direct sessions grow month over month over month over month. And if you're doing this, clearly what you're doing is effective. And then at some point, you're going to have enough of a large, loyal following to your website that if you need to, you can bring down your paid media spend. And there's going to be way more profit at the end of the day when you're getting 40,000 people to the website for free every month than when you were getting 20,000 people to the website for free every month. Something to keep in mind, sometimes we can get too trapped in the box of every click from Google Ads or from Facebook has to be profitable. We're not really thinking about, are we driving long-term growth for the business? Because over time, if you're able to grow the business, there will be more profit available on the table for you.